I'm waiting for parts now so I can get this wheel back together and a few other odds and ends inside the dash. So I thought, actually they're going to come, they should be here in a couple days. In the meantime, I still have to get this door, take this door off, actually both doors. So I thought I'd prep them. I can't get the doors off myself. I'm waiting for a friend to give me a hand. Someone has to hold it while I have to take the bolts out. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. The bolts are loose. I already checked them. This door does definitely need to come off because I need to do some body work to it. I can't really see. There's a chip on this inside panel, and this whole panel came away from the door frame. So the easiest way is to take the door off to do the repair. I pulled the mirrors. When I took the mirrors off, one of them, the bolt broke. And I could get replacement mirrors for, I don't even know, way too much money. But when I was looking, you can actually get these replacement bolts. So now my task is to drill out what's stuck in here. I started with a counterclockwise drill bit, the smallest one I got. That doesn't, which is just about the right size. And with these counterclockwise, obviously they, instead of turning this way, they turn this way to bite in. Sometimes you get lucky, and when you drill it deep enough, it'll take that bolt right out. I wasn't lucky. So then I started with this guy, which is a little bit too big, but it's the smallest one I have. And I tried to get in. It does bite down, but I just can't. I don't want to go too hard on it. It's not quite working. So there's a couple ways to do this. It's just a matter of finding the right way with the given material I'm working with. I think I might try running one size bigger drill bit, and then this guy again. If that doesn't go, it should be drilled out enough that I can run a tap. I think I have the right size tap for these threads, and I'll just re-tap the threads. Okay, I drilled out one size bigger because it just wouldn't go. Now I need to figure out what size this thing is. So use your little gauge. It's every one of these is so many threads per inch. Turns out this one is 24 threads per inch. So now I know the count. I had to figure out the size. Man, this can get difficult sometimes. Turns out it's a number 10, but I wasn't sure if I had a number 10 because I can't read these numbers, but I was able to use my gauge to tell me it is a 1024. So I know I got the right bit. The only problem with this tap is it's not a bottoming tap. Like this much of it. This is a tap that's meant to go through and through. This does not go all the way through, so it's not quite the right tap. Of course I didn't have the right one. But I'm kind of hoping if I can at least get the thread started, I might be able to clear enough debris that this guy will thread in. I'm hoping. If not, it's still cheaper for me to go get the proper tap than it is for me to replace these mirrors. These mirrors that are in really good condition, I'd really hate to have to replace them. Of course, I wouldn't replace them. There's other ways to do this if I failed with the tapping process. Hopefully I don't have to go that other route though. When you're running a tap, you want to back it off. Go in maybe a quarter turn and then back it off to clear the debris. Go in again, keep backing it off. You don't just turn the tap all the way through. Things break. The material will just strip out. Looks like I'm getting there. Well, I am making a thread for sure. This isn't the best material to work with. It's very... yikes. It's just not great material. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I was actually able to dig out no way. I was able to get the rest of the bolt with the top. So that's what I was trying to take out. So hopefully I'm okay now. I might have some damaged threads, but this should be enough. Should be enough that it'll grab. Maybe. Maybe I got a little bit lucky. There you go. It worked. Oh yeah. That worked. But if I did compromise those threads a little bit too much, because I am going to have, when I tighten this up, it actually goes, this slot goes in between, so I will have to put a little bit of, I will have to tighten it a bit. Let's see, this is the other side. But if I did compromise the threads, there is still a way to rebuild those threads. Anyway, looks like I'm done.